Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert a pie chart into your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. Alright, so navigate to Google Drawings, open a new file here in the top left by clicking to File, New and Drawing. And what you want to do, guys, is make sure that you're logged in with the same Google account here on Google Drawings as with on Google Sheets, for instance, because we're going to implement or insert a pie chart from Google Sheets into our drawing or diagram here on Google Drawings. What you will need to do is click into Insert, navigate to Chart, and then use one of these, bar, column, line, or pie, or click into From Sheets. Next, go through your list of charts here on from your Google Drive library. You may also look for a specific file here or chart. I will go with this one, click into Insert, check if the value and data is correct here from your pie chart from Google Sheets, and then left click into it to confirm, click into Import, and that's it. As you can see, it's exactly the same. Now, the issue here is, guys, you may, for instance, customize the appearance of your pie chart. You may resize it, change its position, rotate it, and so on and so forth. However, let me just undo this. However, you can't change the data of the given pie chart here in Google Drawings. For instance, if I double click into the given pie chart to change, let's say, this title here, I won't be able to change the text. Instead, I will be given the opportunity to crop the pie chart by using these markers, and that's not what I'm going to do. So if you want to change the data here, you will need to do that on Google Sheets and click into the given data and change the text here, customize, edit it, and then insert it into your chart, or drawing here on Google Drawings. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.